Welcome to my channel Flights Assistance. Best 10 things to never pack in a checked bag. When packing for a flight and checking your luggage, there are certain items you should never pack in your checked bag to avoid potential problems, damage, or security issues. Here are 10 things to never pack in a checked bag. Valuables. Items like cash, jewelry, expensive electronics, and important documents should be kept in your carry-on bag to prevent theft or loss. Medications. Always carry essential medications in your carry-on bag in their original containers with prescription labels. You don't want to be without them in case your checked bag is delayed or lost. Fragile items. Delicate items like glass, ceramics, or sentimental heirlooms should be kept in your carry-on to avoid breakage. Important travel documents. Passports, visas, travel itineraries, and boarding passes should be easily accessible in your carry-on bag, not your checked luggage. Irreplaceable items. Anything that's irreplaceable or holds sentimental value, such as family photos or heirlooms, should stay with you. Liquids over 3.4 ounces, 100 milliliters. The Transportation Security Administration, TSA, restricts the amount of liquids you can bring in your carry-on. Liquids, gels, or aerosols exceeding this limit should be packed in your checked bag. Flammable materials. Items like fireworks, lighters, and aerosol spray cans are typically prohibited in checked luggage due to the risk of fire hazards. Perishable items. Food items that can spoil or melt should be avoided in checked luggage, as the temperature in cargo holds can fluctuate. Oversized items. Baggage handlers may not handle oversized or irregularly shaped items well. If you must bring such items, consider shipping them separately or declaring them at check-in. Hazardous materials. Items such as chemicals, corrosive substances, or explosives are strictly prohibited in checked luggage due to safety concerns. It's important to check with your airline and the TSA for specific regulations and restrictions, as they may vary depending on your destination and the airline you're flying with. Always pack thoughtfully and prioritize the safety and security of your belongings and the safety of your fellow passengers. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.